clients have a lot of formats that they want to upload. Some of them want an STL, some of them upload an XT file. So my name is Adar. I'm the co-founder and CMO of Jiga, which is the B2B marketplace for custom manufacturing. We provide a place to find suppliers, work with suppliers in a secure and reliable way. You can find the right supplier for you. You can get consulting, you can get support, find the optimal prices, automate quoting, get buyer protection, and just ease the whole process of getting custom parts in the best prices and lead times possible. So my co-founder is coming from the manufacturing industry. He was a CEO of 2 manufacturing companies, and he saw how hard it is to supply parts. There is not enough transparency and not enough ease to complete deals and communicate with suppliers. So he decided to go and solve this problem, and then we started working on it. So we convert the parts to a format that we can process, and then we extract the geometrical parameters that we use for calculating the prices and the lead times. So getting and supporting a lot of CAD formats is pretty hard. It takes a lot of dev time, and it's something that we wanted to offer our clients. So we went out and looked for a way to support it really easily. And this is where we found CAD Exchanger valuable. It's a lot of time. This is the main thing. I mean, saving us a lot of dev time, which helps us to focus on what we are good at.